Hey guys, welcome to My Beauty. It's Cece, and today we're doing St. Patrick's Day green beauty stuff. I don't even like St. Patrick's Day. I'm doing this for you guys, but it's whatever. It's gonna be a quick ass video. So we're doing what am I doing first?
No idea.
You wouldn't. A body scrub. So we're gonna start off with some sugar. I just got some regular sugar here. And I got some coconut oil. We're gonna stir that in. Probably need a little bit more sugar than that. And
yes, a little bit.
A little bit. Auntie Fee much. Alright, and I have some lime zest. I really wanted to have more lime zest, but I ran out of lime, so here's what it is. So it's not as green as I wanted because I ran out of lime zest. So if you would like, you can always add some green coloring to it. I think it's okay. I'm not going to add any, but that, and it smells pretty coconutty to me. If you want more of a lime scent, just add some lime essential oil, darling. And that is your St. Patty's Day coconut lime body scrub. And we're gonna go over to the next thing. Okay guys, we're back with our next thing, which is a matcha tea face mask. So again, green for St. Patty's Day. So we got our matcha tea. We got some yogurt here. We're gonna put some olive oil. That might have been too much. And some honey. And mix that all up together. Gonna need some more oil. It's like a bowl. Alright, there you all guys go. And you'll just put this on your face like any other face mask, and you can make it as thick or as, however you want it. And that's pretty much it for that. And if you don't know how to use a mask, you just put it on your face and let it sit, and then for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you just wash it off, okay?
You just watch your other videos where you put on.
Yeah, just watch my other videos. Alright, there you are. And we're gonna get over to the last thing, which is, I don't remember, but we're gonna get into that. Okay guys, we're back, and we're doing a avocado hair mask, and it's just gonna be 3 simple ingredients, or 2 if you had, or 5, whatever. So I know I've done avocado hair mask. I've done like 2 in the past, but those are more complicated. This one's just simple. And we're gonna do a half of an avocado, just like you like it. Or if you got a lot of hair, like I do, you probably need to do a full avocado, but we're just doing half right now. And I have some aloe.
Cool.
And if you cannot find an aloe leaf, just find some damn natural aloe in the damn store. Like if you have a natural store where you live, 9 times out of 10 they'll have aloe juice or aloe gel, whichever. And then we're gonna use vegetable glycerin. Now, the thing about vegetable glycerin is kind of tricky. I know I've used it in the past, like in stuff, but anyway, as far as your hair goes, like if you live in a dry climate, vegetable glycerin can actually dry out your hair. So it can, like, the weather will like pull the moisture out of your hair and make it dry. If you live in somewhere humid, it can actually draw moisture into your hair. we live in a humid climate, so if you live in somewhere very dry, I don't suggest using vegetable glycerin, but you know, you can if you want. And pour that in there. Alright, and I got some lavender essential oil and sage.
Anything for Salinas.
Anything for Salinas. And we're just going to blend this up. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm actually going to blend it some more, but I just wanted to show y'all what it kind of looks like. If you would like, you can strain this through a cheesecloth so those bits of avocado don't get stuck in your hair. If not, you don't have to, but that's what I do. Anyway, that's it for this video, and thank you guys for watching. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, darlings, and love you guys. Bye.